Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you're doing wonderful, amazing in your life wherever you are. This is your extended love reading. Okay, I'm going to clarify all these cards in the extended one in this video. Okay, this is your general love reading for December 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, and it's not going to resonate with each of you. You can also check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, my Aquarius. So, Aquarius, I have already done your main reading, in which I have already told you that what is your energies, what are the energies for you. Okay, but I'm going to explain you this again so that you can get to know what are the energies, because some of you have not seen that video. So, I'm going to explain you one more time. Okay, Aquarius, you're getting your clarity. Okay, Ace of Swords. This Emperor is giving you the clarity, Aquarius, by giving you the Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take. This Emperor is someone who is your divine counterpart, because here I am having Emperor and Empress both. Okay, so this is your divine counterpart. This is your life partner, soulmate, who is giving you clarity by giving you equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. But you have received this clarity, Aquarius, after spending so much sleepless nights, after spending many days you are not able to sleep properly. Nine of Swords, you are unable to sleep. Okay, you are unable to sleep properly after spending lot of sleepless nights. You getting to know the truth. Basically, you are taking the energy of King of Swords. Okay, still you are feeling like an hangman. Okay, you know the truth. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, so you know the truth now. After spending lot of sleepless nights, you know what is the truth, but still you're feeling like an hangman. But don't worry at all, Aquarius, because you are coming towards the calmer waters. Six of Swords is here, so you are coming towards the calmer waters, and now you know that you are happy, abundant in your own way. Okay, you know this, that you are someone who is worthy. Okay, who is you know your worth. Basically, you know that you are single, abundant, and some of you Aquarius are single, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, basically, and you are exploring your options. Seven of Cups. Okay, that there is no bad thing to explore in exploring options, Aquarius. If you are single, okay, you have full right to choose your life partner. Okay, carefully and by examining it. Okay, so this is very good that you're exploring lot of options, and you're taking the energy of Empress. You know your worth, that you are someone who is very caring, nurturing, motherly figure. You know your worth now. Okay, now you're getting your own skin. Okay, you're getting your confidence back. You know that you are someone who has to be treated right. Okay, then there is a King of Cups and Queen of Cups. There is someone in your life who is offering you their cup of emotions, and you both are offering, okay, to each other. Okay, the Queen of Cups and King of Cups is a pair, is a divine counterpart. In this reading, I'm getting the three pairs here on the table on this reading. So you both are offering each other the cup. Okay, you both are giving lots of love to each other, lot of emotions to each other. But here is the twist, Aquarius. Yeah, there is a twist. What is the twist? That there is someone around you, my beautiful Aquarius, who is getting the strength to approach you, Aquarius. They're gathering the strength with you. They are someone who is the Queen of Wands, who is mysterious, attractive, passionate one. Gender is not specific here. Gender you can take according to your situation. Okay, but there is someone who is mysterious, basically. Okay, and the passionate one, a passionate attractive, there are some secrets hidden from you. What are the secrets hidden from you? That they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They're trying to approach you, they're trying to come back in your life. They are trying to come back in your life for sure, but you are guarding yourself. Your defenses are high. Nine of wands, you are saying you're protecting your energy, you're protecting against them. Maybe they are approaching you right now only, maybe this week or not. This is the timeless reading. Okay, so, and why are you defensive? Because they are the devil one, the toxic one. They always put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart several times. They put all the swords in the heart. Three of swords is all about heart pain, heart loss, heartaches, pain, sufferings. Okay, you have gone through a lot of trauma, okay, I can say, while dealing with this person, this queen of wands, who is very mysterious and keeps secrets with you. But they are coming your way back again, Aquarius. That's what I am getting to know. Okay, and you are getting justice, but you took this kind of justice after taking lot of time for yourself. Knight of Pentacle is the slowest deck in the tarot, so you have taken the lot of time for analyzing, for coming to the decision, coming to this point that this is not for you basically. Okay, you have take lot of time to analyze this thing, and now you are getting the justice. Okay, you get to know this truth after taking a lot of time. Can you see this devil is there? Maybe with this person, this queen of wands person, you have spent lot of years, I can say. Okay, lot of years to come to this conclusion, to come to this point that this is the toxic one, this is not good for you. And you have taken the lot of time. This is not a decision based on 1 month, 2 month. You have taken the lot of time to come to this conclusion. Okay, and now the justice has been served in your case. The divine is giving you your soulmate, your twin flame in your life. Can you see? This is the justice served in your case. The king of pentacle and the queen of pentacle, here is your match. You know your match, you know your worth. Now you are getting what you are deserve. Okay, what you deserve, and you're completing some kind of karmic cycle, Aquarius. So this was your main reading, Aquarius, but now I'm going to clarify some kind of cards. Okay, some kind of messages, so that I can get to know what are these cards mean. Okay, why this person is trying to approach you. They're coming back, they can't see you happy with someone else. Okay, let's see. See, bottom of the deck again, I'm having Nine of Swords. You have spent some sleepless nights. So many days you have not slept yet, maybe from the 9 months. Okay, so you have not slept properly after spending lot of sleepless nights. You were in a stress, tension. Okay, you have gone through a lot of things, and after spending so much energy and time in this toxic relationship, you have come to a conclusion that this one is not for you, and that's very true. Please clarify. Let's start your clarification, and here it is. Ace of Pentacles. I was taking the clarification of Emperor. The Emperor is giving you some kind of stable committed offer. Okay, they are giving you some kind of stable committed offer. They are giving you the clarity and the offer both. Ace of Swords and Ace of Pentacles both are there. So they're giving you some kind of offer which is stable, committed, which you can touch. They're giving you commitment basically. Okay, let me clarify why there is Queen of Wands. Please clarify, Queen of Wands. Please clarify, Queen of Wands. See again, Moon and Seven of Cups, bottom of the deck. They were also exploring lot of options, Aquarius. They were keeping their options open when they were with you. They were not loyal to you. Okay, that was the secret hidden from you. Again, the Queen of Wands is clarified by the Moon. Okay, so this Queen of Wands is the third one, the third energy for you, who is the mysterious one, who is the secretive one. Okay, so they have put lot of secrets hidden from you. 1 minute. So this is not good for you, Aquarius. I'm getting one single card, and that single card I'm getting for you is this. Okay, the Seven of Cups is there. They were exploring lot of option when they were committed to you. They were not loyal to you, Aquarius. That the secret hidden from you. So this is someone. Wow. Queen of Wands is clarified by moon, and it was clarified, and the before it was the moon. So there are two moons here from my both deck. There are some secrets hidden from you, Aquarius, for sure. Okay, let me clarify why there is devil. I don't think so that I need to clarify any other thing, because it has been clearly seen that why this person is not good for you. But let me see. Let me see why there is devil. Why there is devil? Please clarify. Please clarify, devil. Wow. Knight of Pentacle again. So Aquarius, you are putting an end to this devil for sure. Can you see the devil and the death card is there? Devil is clarified by devil, but you are putting an end to this. Why you are putting an end to this? Because the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. There is someone who is not your match at all. See, King of Wands, Knight of Wands, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Death, and the Devil. Okay, Aquarius. Let me clarify you like this. Knight of Wands is always about red flags, Aquarius. This was the person who was in and out in your life, who is a player kind of energy, who will play with your emotions and will ghost you again, will vanish again from your life. But you were someone who is the King of Wands, okay? And you were taking the energy of Hermit, okay? You were doing some kind of soul searching and all. You were looking answers from within yourself. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, okay? And the devil is going to be put an end to that. That card is there. You're putting an end to this devil, okay? You're putting an end to this devil. Yes, can you see there is Four of Pentacle and the Knight of Pentacle. You are holding back. You are holding back from this person. You are putting an end to this devil. You are saying no. Now you would know the truth. That's very good, Aquarius, that you're putting an end to this. You're putting an end, but because this was not good for you. The Knight of Wands and the Devil is all about the player kind of energy, in and out energy. Okay, they are not going to commit you. They will play with you. Okay, they will put you in a third party situation. But that situation is getting end. That's why you're completing a karmic cycle. The World card is there because you are putting an end to that situation. Very nice. That's the clarification of devil. Devil is being clarified by devil. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, universe, divine, God, every single positive energy for clarifying it. Let me clarify why there is Three of Swords. Please clarify Three of Swords. Please clarify. Please clarify Three of Swords. Yeah, right. They were unable. You are not accepting the cup from this person. Four of Cups is there. You're not accepting the cup from them. Why you are not accepting the cup from them? Because they were keeping their options open. They were trying to balance. Can you see? They were unable to make a decision. Two of Swords. Okay, they were keeping their options open. They were juggling between two situations. Two of Pentacle is there. They were unable to make the decision for you and between you and other person maybe. Okay, so there was some kind of third party situation because there were 7 of cups. They were still exploring other options. They were keeping their options open when you both were together. They were unable to make a decision, okay, whether they want you in a life, whether they want to give a commitment to you or not. They were trying to get the balance in the situation, but they were unable to make a balance in the situation. That's why. Okay, let me clarify, Empress. Please clarify, Empress, why there is an Empress. Too many cards, but beautiful explanation also, I can say that, but I'm not going to take it. Lovers, Empress, please clarify, Empress. Again too many cards. Please clarify what is Empress. Lovers, Queen of Swords again appear. Queen of Swords, 10 of Wands, and the 6 of Cups. Okay, so Aquarius, this is someone from your past. Okay, so there is someone from your past, because there is a King of Swords. If it is you, this is you are coming towards a calmer water. So this is your better half, your divine counterpart. Here the Empress is your divine counterpart. The person is from your past, 6 of Cups. Okay, or if it is not you, then gender can be reversed, Aquarius, because here it is the King of Swords and Queen of Swords, both are there, but this is your match, this is your lovers. Can you see here? It is the lovers is here, and this is the Queen of Swords. Okay, and either you were carrying lots of burden on yourself, or they were carrying lots of burden on yourself, but this person is from your past, 6 of Cups. So this Empress is your divine counterpart. Okay, this Empress is your divine counterpart. This is not you, this is them. Okay, this is you. No, not you, this is your divine counterpart. The divine counterpart, the life partner, soulmate, who is from your past, who is your match, who loves the truth. They were carrying lots of burden on their shoulders, but now they are removing it, they're completing it. They are your lovers. Okay, okay, they are from your past. So let me clarify. King of Swords, let me clarify, what is King of Swords? Wow, yeah, right. Emperor, Tower, and 8 of Pentacles. So yeah, that's the exact clarification for you, Aquarius. The Emperor is the King of Swords. Okay, and the Empress is the Queen of Swords. This is your divine counterpart. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. The King of Swords, Emperor, and the Empress is clarified by the Queen of Swords. Wow. 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 The Tower has come in their life to Aquarius. Something is shaking up. This is you. That means the Emperor is you. Okay, you have done you have put all the efforts, lot of time, work in the relationship. Okay, but the Divine is putting a Tower moment here. Okay, They are trying to give you some kind of decision or something like that. Let me clarify. Let me clarify. What is the meaning of King of Cups? Please clarify King of Cups. Help me out to clarify. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Hierophant. Okay, either this is you or the other one. See, the World card has again come in your case. You are protecting yourself, Aquarius, a lot. You're being defensive. Your guards are high. The Sun card is there. That I'm going to talk later on this topic. But here it is the Seven of Wands. Okay, you're completing some kind of cycle, Aquarius. You're protecting yourself. The other one is trying to give you some committed offers, maybe a marriage, a proposal or something, but you are protecting yourself. Why are you protecting so much, Aquarius? Why? Your guards are high. Your guards are high. Okay, you are self defending yourself. You are protecting your energy, but there is some kind of world here. The world is there, and the bottom of the deck I was having the world card. Okay, so you're completing some kind of cycle. There is the Sun, the new beginning is there, and there is 10 of Pentacles. Okay, 1111 was the recording reading time. So this is your divine counterpart. You do not have to worry a lot. Put your guards down, Aquarius, and be open to receive. Trust the universe, trust yourself that whatever is happening for the good. Okay, they're trying to give you 10 of Pentacles. That's the new beginning, but you are protecting yourself. Let me clarify. What is Queen of Cups? Please clarify Queen of Cups. What is Queen of Cups? Please clarify Queen of Cups. This is you. Okay, Justice, bottom of the deck. I'm having Justice. Queen of Cups is you, Aquarius, and King of Cups is your divine counterpart. Bottom of the deck I'm having Justice again. Justice is there. So Aquarius, you are holding back a lot. Okay, you're taking a lot of time to come towards any conclusion, to make any kind of decision for your life. Okay, you're taking a lot of time to make a decision, and you are holding back a lot, Aquarius. Can you see? Four of Pentacles is there. The King of Cups was trying to give you some kind of offer, but you are protecting yourself. Your guards are high. Why you are protecting yourself? Because you were very hurt in the past. You were gone through a lot of trauma and things in the past. That's why you are holding back a lot. You're taking a lot of time to make a decision. Okay, Knight of Pentacles is all about the slowest deck, so you're taking lots of time to make a decision. Let me clarify why there is Queen of Pentacles. Please clarify Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I'm having Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, that's true. So this Emperor is you, Aquarius. This Emperor is you. Now I'm getting more clear, because I was having a confusion that whether this Emperor is you or your divine counterpart. So here the Emperor is you. Why I'm saying it? Because King of Swords, Four of Wands, Eight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and Six of Wands. Aquarius, you are taking Queen of Pentacles is someone who is stable, grounded in terms of money, who knows how to manage the finances. Okay, and the bottom of the deck I'm having, wow, Queen of Pentacles and the Chariot. You're moving in a forward direction, Aquarius, towards your Empress, towards your divine counterpart. This Empress is your divine counterpart. Okay, so yeah, you are taking the energy of King of Swords. Okay, you're taking the energy of King of Swords. You know the truth now Now you want your divine counterpart, but some of you are feeling stuck. Okay, you have put all the seeds in the grounds. Now you're waiting your ships, your rewards to come up. That's what some of you are still feeling like stuck or restricted in some situations, but don't worry, Aquarius, because you're getting success. You're getting success, recognition, rewards in achieving your twin flame. Your soulmate Four of Wands is there. Now you are someone who is grounded, financially grounded, okay, and you are someone who knows the truth, okay. So you do not have to worry at all, okay. Don't feel stuck. The things are coming better for you. That's what I see here. Let me clarify. What is King of Pentacles? Please clarify. Wow. Six of Pentacles. They are going to give you equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Both. Two times I'm having Six of Pentacles here. So you are getting your clarity, Aquarius. You're getting your stable committed offer. You're getting your equal amount of give and take. And this person will give you equal amount of give and take. They want to offer you equal amount of give and take. Maybe some of you are feeling stuck, restricted, still feeling stuck, but you do not have to worry at all, Aquarius. Okay, because you have to just right now, you just have to take care of yourself, rest and rejuvenate yourself, because this is your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups. This is your wish fulfillment which is coming your way. Okay. Right. There were some conflicts around you with this Queen of Wands. Again, the Queen of Wands has come here. The third person, okay, the karmic one. There were some conflicts around you, okay. There were some secrets hidden from you, Aquarius. Five of Wands is there. The Queen of Wands and Queen of Wands. There were some secrets hidden from you. There were some conflicts around you with this Queen of Wands, okay. Bottom of the deck I was having this, but now you are getting new hopes and desires, Aquarius. You're getting your clarity, you're getting your new hopes and desires, you're getting your Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take, okay, with this King of Pentacles, okay. Let me clarify one more thing. I need to clarify why there is Ace of Swords. What is Ace of Swords? Six of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Six of Swords and Six of Swords. Both time I'm getting it. So you're getting your clarity. You're coming towards us. Okay. You're getting towards it. Wow. Empress, Chariot, Queen of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. Okay, Aquarius, you're getting your emotional fulfillment. Okay, you're getting your emotional fulfillment. Three aces in your reading. Okay, this is you, Aquarius. Queen of Pentacles is you. Okay, so you are getting your emotional fulfillment. You are moving forward. Okay, you're moving in a forward direction. You know what is right and what is wrong. Okay, and this Empress is your divine counterpart. They want to move forward with you, Aquarius. They want to move forward in your direction. Okay, they want to move with you in a forward direction. They know what is right and what is wrong with you. Okay, what is right and what is wrong with for them and for you. Okay, so they know the difference between white and black, basically. Okay, you're getting your emotional fulfillment. That's the clarification of Ace of Swords. And this Empress is your divine counterpart. Okay, they are moving towards you. Wow, beautiful reading for today, Aquarius. Let me see one thing. What is the advice? What is the advice? Give me the advice from the universe. That was the reading for you, Aquarius. Okay. Beautiful reading for today. Give me the advice for Aquarius. Advice for the Aquarius. Please help me, divine universe. Every single positive energy around me. Please give me advice for the Aquarius, which is important to deliver. Yeah, right. That's the advice for you, Aquarius. The Empress, the Empress, the King of Pentacle and Ten of Pentacle, Aquarius. This is your divine counterpart, because here also it is showing that the person who is the King of Pentacle is the Empress. Okay, they are trying to give you Ten of Pentacles. Okay, Ten of Pentacles is all about abundance of everything. Okay, abundance of everything. And the Tower movement is occurring in your life. There is some deceptive, manipulation, cheating, lying going on around you, but that is going to end up soon, because the Tower is here. Okay, that's going to end very soon. Let me clarify, let me tell you like this, you're going to understand like this. This person is from your past and they're trying to give you Ten of Pentacles. Can you see there is an Empress and the King of Pentacle? Okay, the Empress and King of Pentacle. The person is from your past. Six of Cups. Okay, they are coming your way. Okay, they're coming your way to give you the equal amount of give and take. Okay, they're going to offer you Ten of Pentacles. Okay, abundance of everything. And whatever is happening in your life, there was some sneaky behavior. Okay, but that is going to end for sure. The Tower card is there. The divine is putting an end to that. Something is shaking up your life. Let me see any other divine advice for Aquarius. Please give me any other advice if you want to give. Any other advice for Aquarius? You're coming towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Six of Swords. Third time I'm getting the Six of Swords for you. So that's the advice for you. They're saying me stop. Okay, I'll stop. Six of Swords. That's the message for you from the divine, from the universe, that you're coming towards the calmer waters. Okay, you do not have to worry at all. Whatever was whatever was happening in your case, whatever things were, you are getting your clarity, you are getting to know that what is good for you, and you already know that. Okay, there is no confusion in that. Okay, so now you know the truth basically. But someone is there in your life who is your divine counterpart, who is the Empress and King of Pentacles. Okay, so this person is from your past and they are trying to give you the Ten of Pentacle, abundant of everything, and you will come towards the calmer waters. That's the advice, okay, from the divine, from the universe to you, my lovely Aquarius. Okay, so that was the reading for you, my lovely Aquarius. Let's summarize your reading one more time so that I can get you more, because there are today lots of I can say pair couple here. So you are coming towards the calmer waters for sure, Aquarius. Why I am saying it, that I am having Three of Swords from my 3 deck. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. You are coming towards a calmer water for sure. That's my guarantee, I can say. Okay, Six of Swords, Six of Swords, Six of Swords. From 3 deck, I'm getting that message, from that clarity for you. Okay. There is someone who is your match, Aquarius, because I'm having the Emperor and Empress both. Okay, so there is someone who is your match. Why? Because I'm getting the Emperor and Empress from not one single deck. I'm getting the Emperor and Empress from 3 decks. Okay, let me see. Okay, see, from both deck I'm getting the Emperor and Empress, Emperor and Empress. So here is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. The person is from your past. Okay, the Six of Cups is there. Okay, then there is King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Both are there. Okay, the King of Swords and Queen of Swords both are there. So yes, there is your divine counterpart. Then there is King of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles both are there, Aquarius. So this is your divine counterpart, the King of Pentacles. Okay, the King of Pentacles is you. Okay, the King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, again a divine counterpart for you, Aquarius. Okay, but there was some deception, cheating, lying going on for you, but you do not have to worry at all. Okay, why you do not have to worry at all? Because you're going to get success in achieving Four of Wands, in achieving your divine counterpart. Okay, that's your Lovers, because you're hoping for new hopes and desires. Okay, the Six of Pentacles, you are hoping for that, and you are receiving it, Aquarius. Six of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles from my both deck. I am having Six of Pentacles for you. Okay, then there is Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. Here it is, I was finding the Empress. Here it is. Okay, no worries. Okay, Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords from both of the deck. So you're getting your clarity, Aquarius. You're getting to know that there is something which is good for you. Then Ten of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. This King of Cups is trying. King of Cups and King of Pentacles is the same person. Okay, that's the Empress for you. Okay, that's the divine counterpart for you. There is someone who is your divine counterpart, the Empress one. They're trying to give you, okay, the Ten of Pentacles from my both deck. They are trying to give you, they are trying to give you the sun. The beautiful sun is there, the new beginnings in your life, the happiest deck, happiest card in the tarot. So that's beautiful, Aquarius. Just open yourself to receive it. Okay, you do not have to think a lot. Okay, there is some kind of cycle which you are completing with your karmic one. Okay, you're closing out a cycle for sure. And there is one more pair here. Okay, the King of Cup and Queen of Cup both are here. So this is your divine counterpart for sure. You do not have to worry at all, but just be more clarify this thing, and you know this clarity. Okay, 2727 was the divine. Okay, 2727 was the recording reading time. Okay, so Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles both are there. Three aces in your reading. You're moving forward, you're moving forward with this Chariot. Okay, let me adjust my cards more. Okay, there were some kind of Aquarius. There was one person, there is a one person, okay, in your life, I can say that. Okay, which is not good for you. Okay, which is the Devil one, and which is the Queen of Wands. Okay, this Queen of Wands is rushing towards you again. They are coming back, they're coming back to approach you. Okay, but there is this Queen of Wands is someone who is a player kind of energy. Okay, they will come and play with you. There is, see, there are secrets hidden from you. They are all cards telling me this. Okay, the moon is for 2 times, so there are some secrets hidden from you. There are two moons here. They put you in a third party situation. The Three of Swords is here. Okay, the Devil is here. The Seven of Swords is here. Every card is here. Okay, so there is someone who is the Queen of Wands. Okay, who is someone who is toxic, which is not good for you, Aquarius. There is someone which is a player kind of energy. So please see the red flags. Okay, can you see that there is two Devil from my board deck, and the moon card is there? So that is not good for you, Aquarius. That is the toxic, but you are already putting an end to that situation, to end to that relationship. You are putting an end to that. That's very good. Okay, but they will try to come you. They were giving you Seven of Swords, lot of sneaky behavior, deception, manipulation. And can you see these three combination is not good at all. I can tell you like this. Okay, Okay, the Knight of Wands is all about red flags, player kind of energy. Seven of Swords, sneaky, manipulative, deceptive energy. Three of Swords, heartaches, heartbreaks, pain in the heart, broken heart. They broke your heart every time. They were some secrets hidden from you, and they are toxic one. The devil is there. So this energy is not good at all. Not good at all, Aquarius. And I am feeling very happy that you are putting an end to that. This situation is putting in, death card is there, so you're putting an end to the situation. That's very nice. So this was your clarification for extend, this was your extended love reading for December 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, today's message is that you are getting over with your karmic one. Okay, and that's very good, and you are receiving every positive energy whatever you can manifest. Okay, the sun is there, the 10 of Pentacles is there, every single positive energy is there. There is your divine counterpart which is there in your life. Okay, and I'm very happy for you, Aquarius. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you like my video, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, if you want to ask me anything, if you want to tell me anything, I really appreciate that, and I will try my level best to help you out. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and sending you lots of love, light and happiness to my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, my Aquarius, and see you soon.